Hello, and today I'm going to be going through the Remora share tool, which was created on top of the elk framework, which we have customised and added new functionality to for our project. So let's log in. I'm going to log in as a student. So we enter his username and the password. The user can also click on lost password if they happen to have forgotten it, and that will be emailed to them. So we click login, which then takes the user to the home page, and it shows all the different widgets used for the system. So firstly, add the My Diary widget, which shows all the diary entries of that particular user. You can click for more entries, or you can click to add a new entry. You can also change the number of diary entries to show at once in the widget to stop the screen being too cluttered. You have the My Meetings widget, which shows all the requested meetings and accepted meetings for that student and lecturer. You have the Tag Cloud widget, which shows all the tags used by a user throughout the system. Now, the tags are used in the system to help categorise and group information together between the diary and the files. You also have the My Files plugin widget, which allows the user to view and download the files owned by them and any files shared with them with other users. So firstly, let's have a look at this requested meeting. We'll click details. This then shows all the details of the meeting: the lecturer or assessor, the student, the location of the meeting, start date, start time, end time. The user can then click to reject or accept. We'll click accept. The meeting has now been accepted. Now if we go back to the home page, we then can see that that meeting is now no longer requested, but it's now accepted and shown in the next meeting part of the widget. We could of course request a new meeting. Here we select the lecturer or assessor. We choose the location. For this I'm going to put Slough campus. We add a date. So for this I'll use July 1st 2009 at 12 o'clock. Now this allows you to have more than one consecutive meeting. So for example, I could have another meeting at 12 o'clock on say the 8th of July. Now to do this I could just put number 2 in and it will add it, or I could alternatively put 4 and it will make 4 meetings on that day at that time. But for this I'm going to add one. Click save. The meeting has now been requested, and that lecturer or assessor will then choose whether or not to have the meeting or not. If we go back to home page, you then can see that it now has been added. Now if we go to the My Diary, now to add a meeting we could click on new entry, or we could go to the menu and then click My Diary. This then shows all the different diary entries added by that particular user, and also shows all the different tags that have been selected for that particular diary entry. You can edit, or you can delete current ones. You can also write a new one, or you can also export all diary entries made into one PDF file, which can be printed and submitted as evidence or for personal reading. Now though, we're going to write a new diary entry. So you add a title. So for this I'll use Another Day at the Office. And diary text should have the main body, so I will add 20 days till holiday. Okay. Next you have predefined tags. These tags are added for the sake of our project. So you have key roles and the different units involved. I could select any number of these, or I could use some of my customised tags which have been added on by myself. If I happen to want to add a tag that is in neither of these, I can add it myself. So for this I will add a tag named video. If we then click save, that diary entry is then added to the system with the different tags. Go back to home page. We'll then see that that diary entry has been added, and also the video tag that we just selected now in the tag cloud. If we go to My Files, we can click more files, or we can click on the individual files to view those. So we'll go to menu, my files. So this shows all our files that are owned by us. If I click on one of them, it then shows you the description of the file, the name, any tags that have been selected, and allows you to download, edit or delete this file. Now though, we're going to upload a new file. So this takes you to the upload file form. Firstly, you need to select a particular file. So for this, I'll add a questionnaire. So we can put, add it, give it a title. Question forms. You can add a further description. Question forms. Scroll down, we have the same tags that are shown in the diary. I though will be using the tag that we used before. And we can also select the access, whether it's private, for everyone on the system, or you can share it with just a particular lecturer or student. Click save. The file is then uploaded, and like it says, save to the system. Click home, then takes you back to the home page, and you can see that the questionnaire is then been added to the system. We can also see that because we've used the tag more than once, the video shows up as a bigger icon to show it's more important and more widely used. If we click edit page, this now allows you to move different widgets to different sizes of pages if the widget is not in your particularly preferred place. So for this example, we'll move the My Files widget. Click save. The file widget has been moved. Now with this video is to show the student functionality. This shows the main student functionality of the system. Now for the next video, we're going to be showing the lecturer or assessor side. So now I'm just going to log out, and that is the end of this video.